I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by deciding exactly what you intend to accomplish in a session. Decide one clear task and set a time goal, for example, 25 minutes of focused work. Write the objective down in a single concise sentence to anchor attention. Remove non-essential items so only 3 things remain on your desk at most. This reduces visual pulls and lowers the probability you check other tasks. Set a single measurable outcome so you can tell when the session succeeded. Next, structure your time and environment to support sustained attention. Use the 25-minute focus, followed by a 5-minute break, rhythm to sustain attention and avoid fatigue. Control sound by reducing noise to about 40 to 60 dB or play structured white noise for background support. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb and place it at least 5 feet away from your workspace. Close tabs unrelated to the task and show only the. Finally, manage your energy and track measurable progress to keep motivation high. Start sessions when you have the most energy, typically morning or 1 to 3 hours after lunch. Break the task into 3 to 5 concrete deliverables so you can complete steps and see progress. After each successful session, reward yourself with a 15-minute break or a small treat to reinforce the routine. Review results weekly and adjust time lengths or break ratios to improve steady focus over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.